Today, we're pulling hair out of our Dexter's cow's tail.
And no, she's not getting a haircut.
We're collecting a DNA sample. Today, we're doing something a little different here on the farm. We're DNA testing our Dexter cow for parentage. Now, you might be wondering, why would we need to DNA test a cow to find out who her parents are? Well, parentage testing uses DNA to compare an animal's genetic markers with those of its potential parents. It can help confirm whether the recorded sire and dam are actually the biological parents. For our little farm, this is important because accurate records matter, especially when you're building a herd and making future breeding decisions. All we need is a sample of tail hair with the roots attached. We'll send those hairs off to the lab and they'll compare her DNA with the DNA of the potential parents. But now comes the hard part, waiting for the results. We're so excited to see what the DNA tells us and to make sure we have the right information recorded for our Dexter herd. So come along with us, and when those results come back, I'll share what we have discovered. What do you think the results will be? So there you have it. We've pulled the tail hairs, got our samples ready, and now they're off for DNA testing. It may seem like a small thing, but knowing our animal's parentage and genetics is an important part of being good stewards of the livestock God has entrusted to us. We're learning as we go here on our little farm, and I'm excited to share the results with you when they come back. If you've enjoyed coming along with us today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stick around for more farm life, livestock, gardening, cooking, faith, and all the little things that happen here on B&J's Little Farm. Until next time, remember, keep growing your faith, keep growing your food, and keep growing together. God bless, and we'll see you on the farm.